Hello friends, my name is Radhamasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the history of a Scrum. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important, especially if you are a person, you are a student and you are planning to give exam related to Scrum, or you are a person or professional working in any organization as a Scrum Master or Agile practitioner. So this is a very important topic for you. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start, friend. History of a Scrum. First of all, we have to understand that what does it mean by Scrum actually. Scrum is a framework which we use to implement the software or IT projects. It's a methodology, it's a framework which we use for implementation of software projects. It's a methodology which is based on agile approach in which we divide the project into multiple chunks called as a sprint. A sprint is a 3 to 4 weeks time period, and we deliver to the work to the customer in multiple chunks or multiple sprints. This approach is called as Scrum actually. Scrum is based on agile framework. Now the main topic is history of a Scrum today. So what is history of a Scrum actually? Friend, in 1986, two Japanese business experts basically they introduced the main concepts of Scrum, the Hirotaka, Takeuchi, and Ikujiro Nonaka. They basically published an article in 1986, which became the concept or basis of the Scrum. The article name was New Product Development Game. The double new is indeed part of the title in the Harvard Business Review. The authors described a new approach to commercial product development that would increase speed and flexibility. Their inspiration came from case studies from manufacturing firms in the automotive, photocopier, and printer industries. So from 1986, the business person Hirotaka Takeuchi and Ikujiro Nonaka, these two Japanese business persons basically they have given the concept of Scrum in 1986. In 1993, looking back at Scrum, it was first implemented in 1993 by Jeff Sutherland, John Samuel and Jeff McKinney at the Easel Corporation. They drew these concepts from the Harvard Business Review, the new product business development game in 1986 from the two Japanese person, and wherein Takeuchi and Nonaka compared new approach with a game called rugby. Basically, in 1993, the another foundation was made by these person Jeff Sutherland and Jeff McKinney. In 1995, the Jeff Sutherland and Ken Schwabe jointly presented a first public appearance of their paper called the Scrum Development Process at Object Oriented Programming System. Okay, then in 2001, Sutherland, Schwabe, and 15 associates got together in Snowbird and drew the Agile Manifesto, which then turned into an invitation for software engineers to take action to form a unique method of developing a software. Okay, so this was another development made. Then in 2002, Ken Schwabe founded an organization, Scrum Alliance. I'm sure that whoever has working for Scrum, he definitely knows the name of Scrum Alliance, with Mike Kahn and uh, Easter Derby. Ken Schwabe headed the organization, and in the following years, they developed and launched the highly successful Certified Scrum Master program. Certified Scrum Master. So from in 2002, the basis or the foundation of Scrum Master (CSM) Certified Scrum Master is founded. Okay, which is nowadays a very popular certification. Then in 2014, Dr. Dave Cornelius, the globally recognized lean and agile catalyst, presented his doctoral research based on the Scrum value and named it as the value of a Scrum to an organization. In 2016, the journey of a Scrum continues to evolve. They recognize the need of the framework for distributed teams and two product owners, for a strategic prioritization with the stakeholders, and for prioritization with the team. So it was the in 2016, basically the Scrum was scalable, it was become more stable, and organizations were become starting they were become very useful, and they were using the concept of Scrum actually. So friend, this was a very brief history of the Scrum, that how it becomes at which stage it founded, and how it becomes stable, and nowadays it is very scalable and useful as well. So thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.